Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and you're watching Sarah Malone TV. Today, I thought I would share with you some different hairstyles that I'd like to do when I'm not looking to wash my hair, and also they're very helpful when I'm in a really big hurry in the morning. So if you're interested to see some of these hairstyles, these are going to be the things that you're going to need. The first thing is going to be some bobby pins. So I have a couple here. They're kind of stuck together, sorry. So some bobby pins. And then I also have a hair tie. And then I also have my trusty cap as well, baseball cap. So if you're interested in seeing some of the hairstyles with these items here, then please keep on watching. Style number 1. You're going to need your 2 bobby pins. And what I'm going to do is just take the top portion of my hair, pinch it together. I'm going to take the first bobby pin, open that up, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in and wiggle it in to keep it in place. Then I'm going to take the second bobby pin and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to cross it over on the other one so the bobby pins will be like an X. Then you're just going to fluff up your hair around it to make sure you're happy with how things are looking. And then if you would like, you can also just pull out some of the hair up front to give it a little bit more volume. And voila, simple and quick. Now I'm going to remove the hairpins. And we're going to move on to our next style, which is going to be style number 2. And you're going to need those same 2 bobby pins. We're going to take the first one. And what I'm going to do is take the top portion of my hair and I'm going to roll it up, as you can see there. And I'm going to take that bobby pin and insert it at the very end of where I stopped rolling my hair and wiggle it in to keep it in place. And it looks okay. It's nice and secure. Now I'm going to take the second bobby pin, do the same thing on the other side, and just grab the hair at the top portion of my hair, as you can see there. And again, I'm rolling it up against my hair. And then I am putting the bobby pin once again right where I stopped curling up the hair, rolling it up and then wiggling it in place. And just making sure that all my curls are in nice layering position. This is quick and simple. Another one of my favorites I like to do. It's great for when the rest of your hair looks good and it's just that, like, your bangs part or the top part of your hair is not looking so hot. This is a great hairstyle to do. All of these are actually. Now I'm going to take the bobby pins out and we're going to move on to style number 3. And style number 3, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair tie. And I'm going to take just the top portion of my hair and I'm going to just gently try to move my hair so that I'm not breaking it. Just dividing my hair in half. And then I'm going to take that hair tie and I'm going to go ahead and do a ponytail on top of my head. And I'm going to tighten it so it's nice and secure and tight on the top of my head. So the top part of my hair against my scalp, it's nice and tight there, and I love how this looks. This is absolutely one of my favorites. It looks nice and just voluminous, and it's definitely one of my favorites. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And now what I'm going to do is take all my hair, put it up into a pineapple, and it's going to be a front style pineapple you'll see in just a moment. So go ahead and pull all your hair through the hair tie, roll it twice, and then do the same thing and flip your head forward so that your ends are on the front, and you're going to position them so they're like bangs. And I'm just taking the rest of my hair and just poofing it out a little bit so it's just a nice bun on top of my head. Then I'm going to take some of the hair out of the sides, and you can take as much hair as you'd like out, a little bit more out, and it's just a nice messy bun type of a look. And with all the flyaways that you see there, I would just take some hairspray just to finesse them and just fine tune it. My hair's a little bit frizzy now because I've been messing around with it, but again, one of my favorites. Quick and simple. And now we're going to move on to the last hairstyle, which is style number 5. And you're going to need your favorite cute hat or a baseball cap. I'm going to use a baseball cap today. I'm just splitting my hair down the middle. And I'm going to take one of my favorite hats, and I'm just going to put it right on top of my head, push it down my head. And then I'm just going to position my hair around my ears, just kind of pull it out there. And then just fluff up my hair around it so it looks nice and voluminous. And again, another great quick and simple style. It looks easy, looks great. Yes, I'm a fur mom. I absolutely love my hat, love my Ollie. I hope these hairstyles helped you. Please give them a try.